Hi, and welcome to Soniside Up. Well, anyways, we're gonna open up a LOL color change surprise. Right there. Sonisa did really good today, and she got all her stars. And this is what she picked out, right? Okay, let's open it. First we need some scissors, because they're zip ties. Can you tell us what this is? Can you tell us all about it, please?
Why'd you pick this way?
I thought it was a Cookie Swirl C.
It's on Cookie Swirl C. Shout out to Cookie Swirl C. Oh.
Okay, let Daddy cut the. Wait.
Okay.
Daddy, I want to open.
I'm gonna open it. Yeah, I'll let you open it. Scissors are for adults only. One. And yeah. Got it? Mommy? You gotta do that. Oh, okay. Cool.
Another one.
Cool. Wow, what are those? Sonisa, what are those? These are... What are these?
These are the things that you open. I forgot the name.
I forgot the name.
Oh, the sticker. Here's the sticker that we got.
Okay, I love instructions, so
Mommy,
let me try to find some.
Water. Water. We need the water.
Okay, here, let's look at the instructions. Sonisa,
So what did you first?
you know what to do? Let's show everyone. So, number one, you have to pour the water in the mixed up. Oh, you also need some ice cubes. See? Need some ice cubes. Okay, open up the heart. You got it?
Yeah, I love it.
Is this a bath bomb?
Yeah, it's a bath bomb, but you can use it. Yeah. Art. We're in here.
Something else too.
Daddy, look it. Daddy, look.
Okay.
Ice cream.
Got that. Just pour the whole thing in. It's off. Wait, just come off.
It's like a slipper.
Sorry. I'm just being very helpful.
Ooh,
Okay,
scissor. Do carefully.
do it carefully. Okay, let's fill the water.
Snip it, snip.
Okay, there's one layer.
What?
There's two of those. Uh-oh, put your hands on there, please. I'm gonna okay. Alright, we got it.
Wow!
Alright, here you go. You wanna show everyone what that is?
It's an art and I was ducking it.
Oh. Okay. Whoa! Look at that. Crazy. Let it fizzle. What do you think?
I love it.
What does it feel like?
I feel like sand.
Yeah?
Look at that.
Wow. Look at that thing. So is it shrinking or is it getting bigger?
Oh,
You broke it.
look at
There's something inside. Oh my god.
Whoa, look at you teeth. Wow.
Oh wow. It would have taken forever if the whole thing was made of bath bomb. I'm glad it wasn't. Uh-oh. You got it? Mmm. What's that smell? It smells like oranges?
Yes.
And what?
Then peaches.
And peaches? Alright.
Slippery.
I think we can dump this. Me. Alright. Guys, can help you open these. Did you open that one? You gotta open that one too, right?
Yes. You gotta open all of them. Then it comes with a little zipper.
Okay, got that one. Open that one for you. Is that more bath bombs? Oh, it's like a sand. Oh,
It's
cool.
your outfit. I love this outfit. Daddy, look at it.
Oh wow, that is cool. What kind of outfit is this? Looks like a bathing suit.
Cool. Mama, look it. I found our shoes.
Let's see what we got.
I found the other shoe.
So we have
Oh,
an outfit.
found the other shoe.
An outfit right here. Right
Daddy,
here.
this is how you open it.
Okay,
Look it.
show me.
Daddy, look. Like that, you just press it.
Oh, nice.
It's nice.
Which one did you already open? This one? This away?
Whoa, look at this sand.
More sand.
This is a different one.
Is this magic sand?
I don't know.
Feels like magic sand. Or kinetic sand.
Yes. Yes.
Another outfit.
Daddy, what's it? Oh, it's a mermaid tail.
Oh, it is, yeah. So these are all the accessories. Okay. Oh, look, what's that one?
It's short for this.
Oh, yeah. You want me to open this one? What's that? We have to show everyone.
This is for this.
You guys see it? And then we have this outfit that goes with this.
Daddy, look at it.
Oh wow, more things to open. Outfits right there. Alright. Let's pass them on over. Oh, it's the doll.
Can
you show everyone? Cool.
Cool. I'm gonna put this on
You want me to open the rest of them? Oopsies. Okay. Nice. That was good. It's a little wet still.
It's the little puppy.
Oh, what is this?
It's the puppy. Look.
Oh, that's right. Look everyone, they have magic else? I think there's one more, right? One more? Oh. It's the mason jar.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think?
Okay.
What do you think of your toy?
I like it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Do you recommend it? What's your rating? Thumbs up, thumbs down? Okay. Okay, ready? Can you give everyone a rating? 1, 2, 3. And then what do we say at the end? That translates to, don't forget to like and subscribe. Right? Bye.